starting. Actually, like this. Just listen to some of the movie by the time I look forward to seeing one. Okay, in the scenes it's not written on nothing, so let's just go and put on the skin tone. Guys, I know she's not the greatest, but Samantha on top. But we have this Samantha style. I'll make the next one I'm doing Samantha in a spy film. Bye.